How to create calendar entries in Horde. This tutorial assumes that you've already logged in to Horde webmail. Now let's learn how to create calendar entries. Click on the Calendar menu. This is the calendar. We can view the calendar in day, week, month, or year format. We're currently in month format. We can add a new event from the Calendar drop-down menu, or by clicking the New Event button. Enter a title for the new event. You can optionally set the start and end date. Then enter a location for the event. Enter an event description. Click the Reminder tab. Configure the event reminder settings as per your needs. Then click the Repeat tab. If you want to set this event up to recur every so often, you can do that here. The URL tab is where you can enter a URL if you wish. You can also add attendees' email addresses, and you can enter tags of the event here. When ready, click the Save button. That's it! The new event has been created and can be seen here. You can edit or delete the event at any time by clicking on the new event icon. In the event window, you can edit the event. To delete the event, click the Delete button. The event we had created has now been deleted. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create calendar entries in Horde.